हाँ यार, कुछ तो कर सकते हैं म्यूजिक में। अगर मैं एमबीए नहीं कर रहा होता तो पक्का ये डिग्री रास्ता रोक रही है।
So the thing is, I remember the initial BMs that we used to have. Like, you know, the batch was very much active on the WhatsApp group,
Obviously.
and we remembered every time you would be on stage, and an off the beat word would show up, and that is the day people would like immediately update their dictionaries. I remember the first time that you would use the word nincompoop, and someone had taken a screenshot of the definition from Google. It had been converted to a sticker. It had turned into a running joke. Then that was soon replaced by Nimrod, gumption, and everybody's favorite insult by arguably was you sir there melting like an ice cream. That is one that I
I've
remember.
said that.
Yes, you said that there was someone during a GL who was just sliding down his seat, and you immediately said, "You sir, they're melting like an ice cream." I can guarantee you that's the day you converted even those people that weren't your fans.
I mean, that's fun, honestly. That was the fun part because some of the things you guys do in BMs are really, really funny. Yeah, it's hard to keep a straight face sometimes.
Did you have the financial modeling ka re-exam? Lucky.
So glad I decided to give up on finance as an alternative just in the beginning, right from the outset. I was like, ये नहीं होगा मेरे
Your
से.
major is?
Marketing and strategy. क्यों क्या हुआ?
Too much gas. I was going to take the
What else do
same
you
one,
expect?
but
You know me, you've seen me. मेरा काम ही फेंकना है. That's what I mean. Like, and also, यार इतनी गणित नहीं करनी लाइफ में मुझसे. I don't know how I'm here यार IIFT में. My interview was damn fun. मेरे से गिटार के बारे में पूछा तो मैं तो बढ़िया
hey,
टाइम पास
nice.
किया वहाँ बैठ के. 15-20 मिनट पढ़ा हूँ मैं. I remember. I'm pretty sure it was Sheeladitya sir, maybe Tuhina ma'am and one other person. I can't recall. And like ठीक ठाक regular, tell me about yourself. All of that stuff is happening. Pretty standard stuff to be told. And then end में Shraditya sir asked, I see that you mentioned that you play guitar in your CV. I'm like, yes sir. He's like, अच्छा, tell me, अच्छे से आता है या ऐसे ही लिखा है? Sir, I play. I'm pretty well aware. अब आप अच्छे से आता है ऐसे पूछो. I'm not sure what you're hoping to evaluate, but I'm comfortable with it. बोलता अच्छा, tell me the notes on the fifth fret.
Huh?
It's not that hard
Damn.
a question, honestly.
No, I mean, you don't expect this kind of a randomly faculty, sir.
No, so
Good.
he plays. He's I think a grade 5 guitarist. So he was finished his grade 5 or grade 2. I don't remember. But you guys weren't around last year. QV pe he played.
Oh.
Quite cute. He played the summer of '69.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And so मैंने कहा सर याद नहीं. I can count up and tell you. He's like बताओ बता दिया. Good. I'm like, ठीक.
अरे आता है.
That's how I want to end an interview. तो मैं बहुत खुश था. It was fun. ठीक है. IFT was the least stressful interview I gave.
हाँ. So, how did this, interest with music and all develop over the course of your B school journey, be it getting in, be it on campus? How has that developed?
So, like I said, music I've been doing like involved with since my childhood. Truly getting into it and putting time on my own end started somewhere around I think college. May I started practicing a little more, playing a little more to myself, jammed with a few people. Never really went out with it. When I started working, I was working in Bangalore, and I had a lot more time on my hands. My time was my own, so I started putting in a little more effort. Started, trying to cover stuff, uh, try to come up with a social media page so that I have something to work towards. कि मतलब अगर मैं अपने end पे छोड़ दूँ तो I'll either like noodle around on the guitar and then leave it 10 minutes later. That regular practice is difficult to sort of put yourself into. I was like, screw it. I want to be able to like record something once a week that is post-worthy, regardless of whether or not I post. But something that is post-worthy. So I'll put in the effort of doing multiple takes, recognizing my mistakes, sort of smoothing them out. That's when I put in more effort. I also had a friend who I would hang out a lot with during lockdown because his place was like a 10-ish minute walk from my place. So I'd just lumber over with my guitar on my shoulder. His name was Ihit. And he was a piano player.
Okay.
So we'd just sit in his apartment and, we'd jam, we'd play, we'd vibe. Very nice situation. So that's when I started, sort of paying a little more attention, doing a little more regularly, treating it as more, therapeutic than just, interest.
True.
So that was fun. So then when I came here, I was like, अच्छा दोनों गिटार तो लेके आने ही हैं जब दिमाग खराब हो रहा होगा कुछ चाहिए हाथ में बजाने के लिए. And I didn't like per se carry on with like posting or anything that much, but it was still fun because Now I just like you. Obviously, you've never been to my room, but behind my bed is all my suitcases, and उनके ऊपर my guitar is perched against the corner of the wall.
Uh-huh.
And कुछ ज़्यादा मेरे को दिमाग खराब हो रहा है, so just like reach around and like pull it out. It's easy access.
Who
It just
are your roommates?
Nikhil and Devakar.
Ah.
Yeah. Nikhil and I were, two of four people who lived together in, Oyo hostel in Kishangarh. It was just like a regular PG. It used to be the building was a PG before it got turned into a hostel. So it was just there. First year, everybody's a lot more social in their first year.
True.
है ना? Your groups are much more porous, and
The
everybody talks
drive.
to everybody.
बैठो
सब
पूरा
network
दिन.
करेंगे, है ना? साथ में बैठ के केस कॉम करते हैं, guys. That energy fades.
हाँ.
And so it was really fun being in the Oyo hostel because you had all of the first year there, first year guys, with the exception of like some 20 odd people who were in C9. So सारे बंदे वहीं थे. And it was peak Londa energy also, honestly. So it was a very interesting space. यहाँ आए हैं and it just seems a lot more civilized.
Ah, true.
हाँ, वहाँ पे also like you had all these dukane and all that. I remember I had to go for a friend's wedding and uh, this wedding was a little hikey. So she's like, send me your kurta measurements. We're getting kurtas made for all of our friends on this side. I was like, यार मैं shopping नहीं करता, मुझे ये चीजें नहीं मालूम है. So I got out of Oyo Kishangarh hostel and I went traipsing around. मैंने कहा दर्जी कहाँ है? Excuse me. And I'm walking around, दो गली छोड़ के कहीं गया and I was like भैया कुर्ते का नाप लेना है. And he's like अच्छा. Did the full measurement. He's like अच्छा कपड़ा. मैं कहा नहीं कपड़ा नहीं. अच्छा मेरे से लोगे कपड़ा? मैंने कहा नहीं फिर मुझे सिर्फ नाप चाहिए था. And he just gives me the most nonplussed expression. I felt bad for him. मैंने कहा मैं क्या ही बोलूँ अब तेरे को यार, मेरे को सिर्फ नाप चाहिए था, मेरे पास इंची टेप नहीं है. I just sorry बोल के कट लिया मैं. That won't happen यार, मेरे को कटवारिया चल के जाना पड़ेगा. Who has time to go to कटवारिया? इतना दूर. मैं पड़ा रहता हूँ बेड पे.
True.
But anyway, so that's why it was fun.
मजेदार. So amidst all this, एकदम art and culture and niche interests worthy of
Right.
subreddits on their own. How did placement committee happen? How did you foray into that?
Honestly, I did not plan at all. Even like when the forms and all came out, I had no plans. And just near the end of the deadline, happens in every batch. There are people convincing other people to join, and I I initially had not planned on applying because I didn't want to lose out on the opportunity to you when you're in the placement committee, you have to have some sort of you have to put on a particular demeanor, right? Because at the end of the day, you're dealing with 200 people of various types. Like everybody's different, right? You can't. I don't know. It's difficult to be too compassionate or lenient when you're trying to, sort of orchestrate and run a challenging system. The reason first trimester is that hard on everybody is because there's that much to do.
True.
And it was difficult for me also to see it in the first trimester, but as you go past till the second trimester, you gain a little more perspective because then you're looking back on things as opposed to
Correct.
living it in the moment. So I definitely understood that yes, it's definitely a role you play, but I initially wasn't super comfortable with playing that role because I'm just more extroverted like that. I did not want to put myself in that role, not because of the work, just because of the social modes that come with it. So that's what you figure out what the right blend of traits is, what the right cocktail is for you, and that's the persona you take to the stage when you go talk to your batch, your junior batch, and I mean, I would not have been the same SPC that any of my senior SPCs were, and the same goes for the rest of the team as well, right? There are definite things all of us didn't want to do. There are some things some of us wanted to do and others didn't. And there are some things that all of us wanted to do. So that happens. And I'm glad we spoke about it within our team every now and then whenever, we had a, concern about how things were being done. So that way it was pretty good. I think अपना pretty अच्छा गया tenure in that regard. कि team के अंदर dynamic ठीक था. Everybody knows how to work with each other. So yeah, and that's something you figure out. So if you feel like you can work in that sort of a setting, if you feel like you have the people skills to function in a team that is under fair to high degree of stress for an extended amount of time, and you can hold your patience, because that's how working with teams is often. Like, you are not going to get your way sometimes. You will have to sort of bite down on and do things a certain way that maybe is not your first nature. But maybe it's for the in that situation it's the best way to go. So you learn that if you have that kind of patience, then it works well for you. And I think that's why I realized कि यार ये सब skill sets तो हैं, बाकी गप्पे कभी और मार लेंगे लोगों से, कमी थोड़ी है टाइम की.
Is this on? Red light hai?
I can't perceive. Do you see a red light here?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't see a red light. He bounced out of here. So he said okay also.
Acha, then.
What if I just walk over and see पीछे चल रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ, it's recording.